He's not happy I'm here. He's making weird noises. Okay, I'll just leave him alone. Sitting there quietly. They normally have a mate around because this one looks like it's nesting right next to our caravan, but we're leaving here on Saturday, so that'll be okay. We won't need to move. Sometimes you need to move if these birds, which are called curlews, are nesting because they're protected. Okay, then I'll leave you alone. Bye bye. Let's go for a walk. Let's have a look. Down here, the grass is nice and green. Nice and green. Plenty of green grass for the kids, grandkids, when they come to play their sport outside. Here's our caravan. Everyone's actually gone down to the river to do some more fishing. Okay then, that's about it. And there's some more wildlife. These are wood ducks. There's not many at the pool today. The water's pretty cold, so no one's swimming. Okay then, I'll catch you later.